My name is Oriki Ozioma Grace. I'm from. My name is Oriki Ozioma Grace. I schooled at Hausa University. I am from Delta State. I studied political science. Fun. Initially, it was somehow because of the struggle, but it has been fun. I love my platoon and everybody at home. I love you guys. Shout out to my mom. Shout out to my brothers and sisters.
Good evening. My name is Abakada Andrew May. I studied at Federal University of Technology, Mina. Elect precisely. It has not been easy, but with God's grace, everything is good. Thank you all to Dad and Mommy who has given me the privilege to go to. I'm from Akwa Ibom State. Nsit Ubiom local government. Ubiom local government. Nsit Ubiom local government. Akwa Ibom. Ikorubo.
My name is Eyame Joy Gift. I attend Ambrosali University, Ekpoma, Edo State. I studied English education. Don't mind the way I'm talking. I'm just so much excitement. I want to give God all the glory for seeing me through 4 years university and not spend another year. And thank God I'm here. The time I'm supposed to come to NYSC is when I come. Mommy, thank you very much. I'm grateful. I thank you very much. I really want to say thank you to my mom. Thank you to my mom. My mom has seriously been a very great person to me. I'm from Edo State. I'm an indigenous of Uromi town. Alright. Any makoko vai we NYSC, may you are Pulu. And may go mege meke wari dana. I'm I'm dedicated this for being my dad for the number of years you were. And really, mommy, thank you very much. Thank you, my brothers. Thank you, Bosa, Bosa, Bosa.
My name is Ali Abubakar Sadiq. I'm from Adamawa State University movie.
What did you study?
I study computer science. Even though the camp is so boring, at the same time it is very interesting to everybody. State. Adamawa State. Yola. I want to say thank you to my dad, to my mom, to my relatives and my brothers and sisters.
Alright, my name is Wankego Sanevi. I'm from Awoshi Polytechnic. I study banking and finance. So far, the camp has been stressful, boring, and at the same time lovely. I want to shout out to my dad, my mom, my elder brother, and my elder sister. I love you guys. You're the best. From Delta State. Worry.
My name is Oyewale Grace Milayo from Bowen University, Osun State. Microbiology. And it helped me to keep fit to some extent. Pattern 3. I've been able to participate in the march past, all the manual schedules and everything. I was able to do everything, even though I fell at a point.
My name is David Montayo. I'm from Adeleke University, Osun State. I study business administration, Lagos State, Aja. Yeah. This is so very, like, I don't even know, it's interesting. Out to my mom, my dad, my brothers, and my younger ones.
My name is Omar Mukhtar Ibrahim from Lagos State. I study marketing. I'm very excited. Though it's just thank you, mom, thank you, dad, thank you, my uncle, my nephew, Lagos State.
My name is Sonny Ibeke. I study business administration and management in Federal Polytechnic Owerri. I'm from Imo State. Okigwe local government. My dad, I'm sending my greetings to my dad and my mom and my sisters. May God bless them all. Thank you.
My name is Amuji Faith. Last year, I finished at NYSC State University. I studied applied biology. It's good now, for now. It's good, very good. I'm enjoying it now. Yeah, plateau 3. Hi. To my plateau. Hi to my parents, although they're not here.
My name is Okati John Ugochukwu Sunday. I graduated from Ignatius University of Education, Port Harcourt. I studied integrated science. I'm from River State. Emoha local government, precisely in Delhi. Yeah. I think I'm overwhelmed. Honestly speaking, when I saw my call-up later, I was excited because I had changed environment. Coming to Klaba means a lot to me. I mean it. I congratulate them. I am a kind of sending place I am to my dead dad, my late father.
My name is Toy. Studied sociology in Uniport. And okay, it's boring kind of, but it's still fun. Quick River State. Shout out to everybody at home, my family and friends and every other person. Like this man over here.
Yeah, good afternoon. Good evening, everybody. My name is Joshua Ibitimi Ogunu. Okay, I finished from Niger Delta University, Wilberforce Island, Bayelsa State. Yes, yeah. Thank you very much.
Okay, hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. My name is Cyprian Owange. A graduate of Benin State University. I study microbiology. Benin State, Makurdi. OBUBRA camp has been cool, awesome. We're having fun here. Kelvin, this is my real nigga, man. And we're here together.
My name is Collins Bolife. I finished my school from Tansa University, Anambra State. I studied post science. Thank them for making me to be here today. I'm so much grateful.
Yeah, lastly, shout out to my mama. I wish she was here to witness this, but mama, I'm coming home, man. I'm taking this shit to you, mama. I love you, and I'm from Enugu State, man. Udi. And lastly, I want to say a big thank you to Almighty God for making me stay.
Ademiluka Femi is the name. The school, Obafemi Awolowo University. Accounting. Interesting. As you can see, we're having manual drills and all. Very interesting. Very nice. Kogi State. Yagba. Much. I am so grateful for everything you have done. Thank you for all your investments. God bless you, and I will make you proud.
My name is Ohizu Ebube Chukwuzema. I attended Babcock University and I studied computer information system. The camp has been wonderful. It has been interesting. It has been, a kind of new experience for me. I'm from Imo State. I'm from Awoidemili in Imo State. My mom and dad, a big shout out to you guys. You guys have been amazing with difficult times, and
my name is Hausawa Aloysius. I studied animal and environmental biology, University of Port Harcourt. With the kind of drills and martial arts training that we've been given, Degema local government. I want to say a shout out to my parents for everything they've done for me to this moment. They've done well.
My name is Asoga Bashi Abada. My school is Labarai State University, Jalingo, and I studied English language. I want to say a very big thank you to God for making me come to this stage of my life where I'm about to move forward at the foundation. To my brother, my mom, my dad, everyone who has put in efforts to make me come here, and I just want to give a big shout out to them. That's all. Thank you.
My name is Amichi Chidumma. I read education economics in Imo State University. It's okay, it's nice. From Imo State. Ikedubu. Abo. Okay, Ekelemunu.
Maybe Joy Atime. I schooled in Benue State University, Makurdi. Business management. The camp is interesting. We are having fun. Yes, it's fine. Stressful and good. Swale to my platoon members. I greet them. At least I'm in platoon 3. And it's fun being with them. That's why the fact we are losing and we are. Well, greeting to. Okay, shout out to my mom and dad. I greet them. I'm happy I'm here in Cross River State in the OBUBRA camp.
I love you. I think for Awuchi Polytechnic, Awuchi. Back here finance. The camp is okay. I'm very happy to my people, especially my brother, my elderly brother, Oshuzak. Edo State. It's a West local government. It can be Bozari.
Well, my name is Gabriela Mayawa, a graduate of Obafemi Awolowo University from the Faculty of Administration, Department of Local Government Administration. I've enjoyed myself. I've learned so much, and then I wish. I want to say a big thank you to each and every one of them, starting from the state coordinator, the camp commandant, to my platoon commanders, instructors, the man who Mr. and Mrs. Olalege. So a big thank you. God bless you.
My name is Yusuf Machoro Adamlai from Olabisi and Obanjo, studied business education. It has been a wonderful experience since it's once in a lifetime. So it's something you just have to sit down, relax and enjoy. And I've been enjoying it all through. It's shout out to my mom, my dad. They have been indeed my ATM from the scratch to now. God bless them and forevermore. Amen. I'm from Lagos State, Otu Awori, Ojo local government.
This is Mecha Kalu Kalu. I'm from Abia State. I rep University of Umka. My state code number is Abia State. Well, I want to thank God for guiding me through all this paths and bringing me to this present, and I know He has a better future for me. Well, shout out to my parents, my dad, my mom, and I love them very much. Not my pot.
My name is Obelu Ojochide. I attended University of Ilorin. I studied anatomy. Sorry? Okay, anatomy deals with the study of the human body, the structure of the human body and its components. Kogi State, the Igala part, Ibaji. My parents, I want to say a very big thank you to my parents for the opportunity to be here. Yes.
My name is Timile Ajala.
I studied in Obafemi Awolowo University. I studied law.
Who is a lawyer?
A lawyer is an individual, a learned individual who defends his client at all costs. I'm from Odakeke. Fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn òbí mi fún èròǹgbà wọn lórí mi fún gbogbo nǹkan tó ti ṣe lórí mi títí di àsìkò yìí. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn gidigidi.
This Miss Obiede Judith. I finished 2017. Otefe, Delta State Polytechnic, Otefe, Gara. Business admin. And it's fine, it's okay. I'm enjoying every bit of activities done here in the Plateau inter-competition. I really love them so much. Mrs. Asaboro Godin, I love them so much. I pray that God will keep them safe and sound and to take care of me till now. I want to say I love her and I pray God keep her safe and sound for me.
I'm Ovidi Gostema Vezire, graduated from the University of Port Harcourt. I study education economics. Yeah, the unique university. I'm from Delta State. I'm from Isoko. Yeah. I want to thank God for seeing me through school and for bringing me this far. Just 5K. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm very happy. I want to thank God for everything He has done for me and for my parents for seeing me through school and for standing by me.
Yeah, business management, sir. Oko Emmanuel Oche. Sorry? Benue State Polytechnic. Business management. Yeah, the camp is very interesting. I think I see many things, new things that I did today is something else that I didn't even expect it, but with God by my side, I skate through to join them very soon.
I'm fine, are you? Thank you. I'm from Imo State, Mbito local government area. From Orodo. Yeah, I can speak Igbo. Yeah. In Igbo. Okay, I finished in Abia State University and I studied mass communication. Yeah, I'm a mass communicator. What? So much for protecting me, for bringing me this far. I also told me for the support, for the love and people, new friends.
Samuel Malakai Chegbe, Ecotes University, Benin Republic. Computer science, well, interesting and fun as well. I really appreciate everything he has done in my life and also my educational, throughout my educational time. To my parents, so shout out to Papa and Mama. I'm very, very grateful for everything they've done for me.
My name is Sayedo Taiwo Moses. I finished my school from Gateway Polytechnic, Shapade, Ogun State. I studied business administration there. Sir, the road was tough and rough, but I said the road was tough. So I praised my parents. I even appreciate what they did for me. Through them, I became what I want in life. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Uzo Frances from Chupu Emeka Odumegwu, Chupu University, Anambra State. Physics. Wow, fantastic and great, though a little bit stressful to me. Zupu, I can't walk very well. I'm from Anambra State. Here precisely. To God, happy that I'm alive this. Thank you to him who made it possible for me today. To my parents, especially to my mom, though she left me last year, but in everything I glorify God because He knows the reason why it happened like that. Not much to say, but I be lively and happy because one day I will join her. I have to say a very big thank you to them. I have to say a very big and wonderful thank you.
My name is Akiemi Akim from Ogun State.
Yaba College of Technology. I study electrical electronics engineering. Camp has been a mixed feeling though. It has been ups and downs, but we thank God we're pushing it. God. Shout out to my parents, my mom, my state, Abeokuta North.
Okay, my name is Wikwe Faith Evans. I'm from Rivers State. I'm from Ogoni. I'm from Kono, to be precise. It's been a wonderful time in this camp. I'm impressed with everything in this camp. You know, some have some good training like this. It might look strange. I want to shout out to my mom. She's so dear to me. I love her so much because she has been God for my father, also my sibling, pastor. Indeed, he's a wonderful man.
I'm James Mark by name from Federal Polytechnic in Kogi State. I studied quantity surveying. Wow, it has been so interesting and so wonderful so far. I'm really enjoying it.
What do you have to say to
It's a long time privilege we'll be hoping for, and now I'm seeing it and I'm actually embracing it and I'm happy about the whole thing. Wow! around here. Thank you very much.
Okay, my name is Wilson Goodness Olwebube from Michael Okpa University of Agriculture, Mudike. I study biochemistry. Okay, I bless the name of the Lord because I know of so many that started with me but they didn't end with me. For His grace that has been sufficient. I'm from Imo State. I also thank my parents for giving me the privilege to come this far because if it had not been them, I wouldn't have been here today.
Okay, Samuel Ray Malakai Chegbe, Ecotech University, Benin Republic, Computer Science. Wow, it was wonderful and it's a place of home. Yes. Well, I have nothing else to say than to say thank you very much for all what they've done for me. It hasn't been easy going outside, schooling and many other things they've done for me. I really state Dico. I have Dr. Agma Chegbe, Mrs. Emily Balogun and Mrs. Grace Thompson Samson.
I'm editor of Precious Akporive, Banking and Finance, Delta State Polytechnic Ogara Otefi. I'm from Delta State, from JC precisely. For making it possible for me to be here, the grace that I stand behind Plateau 8. I'm engaged, yes sir, to my future husband, Mr. Iremitude Fadipe. Thank you very much for standing by me and I love him so much.
My name is Solomon Asoga Edo from the Federal University of Okari, Taraba State. I study agricultural economics and extension. Been so lively. Actually, the first day when we came in of registration, but to an extent now, I think things are falling. They are coming. I'm from Taraba State. I'm a native of Ibi local government, Abakam. Actually, I want to tell them the perspective maybe. Actually, if somebody is talking about going to camp, parents always have this perspective that there. It's an experience which you once in your lifetime, so I think it's a very good thing to come to camp locations so that you.
My name is Daudi Peter. High School, University of Jos, study computer science. Lovely, so exciting, there's fun. Shout out to my friends, Cyprian and my presido. I'm from Kogi State, Kababulu local government area of Kogi State. Wow, things like this just once in a blue time in life. But to see this time is a great opportunity for me and for some of my friends that is here, I think it's a great opportunity for them to see a great thing like this. Plateau 3. Oh, Bosa to Plateau 3, Bosa, champion Plateau, Bosa.
My name is Emmanuel Jacob, school, University of Port Harcourt, course, Physics and Electronics.
So how's the camp so far?
Well, the camp is going fine. Don't mind my dirty shirt too. I did work this morning. That shirt is very, very dirty. Akwa Ibom State, Abaka government. They've tried to. I want to say a big thank you to both of them, my mom and my dad, because without them I will not be here. They are my motivation. Yes, I'm saying a big thank you to both of them. My younger sister, Happiness.
Where is she now?
She's in university. University of Education, Ajuru in Port Harcourt. Yes.
My name is Okwada Ayodeji. I'm from University of Ilorin. Adult and Primary Education Studies. First two but fun. I shout out to my parents, my mom, my dad, my siblings for the care they show so far. From Ocean States.
My name is Wokia for Chukwemeka.
Where did you finish?
A student of Labarai University of Agriculture, Mudike, at the state. I study microbiology. I can see the camp is moving well and the activities are
Where in Imo State?
in Obo. I want to appreciate them for giving